Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off age restrictions on X or Twitter. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go to find X, tap on it, wait for it to load and make sure that you're logged in. Once done, go to the top left and tap on your profile, and then again tap on profile. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, just go ahead over to the top right, tap on the pencil icon. If not, you have the edit profile button right here. Okay, just tap on it. It does the same thing. And then in here, go ahead and scroll down a bit and find your birth date. Okay, you're gonna want to tap on it. And then once done, just tap on remove birth date. Remove. And then after that, just go ahead and re-add your birth date. If not, if you don't have a birth date right here, well, it's the right time to add in a birth date. Make sure that your birth date is at least 18 plus. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and re-add the same birth date, just like so. Now once that's done, just hit on continue, wait for it to load, and then after that at the top right you have the save button, tap and confirm, and once done you should be good to go. Now if you want to, you could go ahead over to the profile section once more, or your profile, scroll down a bit and tap on settings and support, tap on settings and privacy. Now go to find privacy and safety, tap, and then in here find content you see. Now you have the sensitive media right here. You can go ahead and enable graphic, violence, adult content, and other to show all. Okay, show all, do the same thing to the other sections. Okay, and there you have it. That is how you turn off age restrictions in X or Twitter. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.